Good afternoon.
I'm here.
Here? From where?
You booked me.
You be Uber driver?
No.
You work with boats?
Far from that.
Sorry, they must have given you a wrong number. By the way, how can you be booked when you are not an Uber driver?
Hello. That's what I do for a living.
What do you do for a living?
I do hookup.
Okay. You are an ashewo?
May God not allow them make them kill.
Now I understand. I've never booked an ashewo before.
Oh, I'm not too much.
Anyway, you booked me and I'm here and that's all. But if you say you're not booking me, then that's fine.
Oh la la. Excuse me?
Ìwọ tó bá ti gbé obìnrin lórí ayé ẹ ti bàjẹ́ finally. Wá pa ẹ́ wá sí mọ́
You said you were not the one that booked me. So
Yes. Can you come in until the rain stops?
are you sure?
At least.
You be mumu. You think say they wise?
Must be a nice guy.
You can say that again. Alakomedi is my brother.
Thank you.
Come on, let's go in.
You gotta trust man, hard down. Ojo abo, your eyes will see what your mouth cannot talk.
Can I know more about you?
No,
But why?
May God not allow them make them kill you.
because I do hookup.
So, what do you do for a living?
Hook up.
Okay, apart from hookup, what else do you do?
Nothing. I still do hookup.
What if there's no one to hook up with? So, what else do you do?
I will still do hookup.
Wait, don't you have any other thing you can venture into apart from hookup? There are 1,000 ways of making money online. Why don't you just choose one and make money out of it?
Because
Someone's child.
I wasn't talking to you. Sorry. This girl is just too beautiful to be a hookup girl.
yeah, I know. People used to say that a lot.
Say what?
That I'm too beautiful to be doing hookup.
How did you get to know what I was saying inside of me?
Because I can hear you both in and out.
Jesus. Who are you?
I am Maureen.
I wasn't asking for your name. I mean, who are you and why are you here?
My name is Maureen and I was booked.
God, I don't give that one chance.
You think say they wise?
See, you know what? Come and be going. The rain has stopped.
That rain is not going to stop till tomorrow morning, okay?
You won't leave until the rain stops?
That rain will not touch my precious skin. I'm staying.
Are you playing? What type of plane is this?
You be mumu. You think say they wise?
This is just past 7.
Mumu man.
You can still take your leave now.
I'm sorry. I'm staying.
You know what? I will leave this room for you. You can stay as long as you want and do whatever you want to do. I'm tired. You know what? I'm leaving. Just have the room as much as you want, as long as you want. I'm leaving. I can't take this anymore. Oh my God.
Are you looking for this? Come to mama. You want this? Come to mama. Come to mama. Come to mama. Come to mama.
I actually want that. Please, can I have the key?
Come to mama.
Please, I can't come to you. Please, I can't come to you. Let me just go. Please, big auntie, let me go.
Come get the keys.
Please, let me have the keys. I beg you, please. I beg you, please. Please. Problem.